In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to GCash without OTP. Let's get straight to the point. You cannot log into GCash without an OTP. No OTP means no login. That's by design, and it's an important security layer that protects your account and your money. Here's why the OTP, or one-time password, matters. It's a unique code sent to you during login to confirm it's really you. Even if someone knows your mobile number or has seen you use the app before, they still can't access your wallet without that time-sensitive code. This extra check helps block unauthorized access and makes it much harder for hackers to compromise your funds. Depending on your device and session, the app may ask for an OTP every time you log in or whenever you're signing in on a new device or starting a fresh session. Now, let's talk about what you can do within the proper flow. During setup, you can create a 4-digit MPIN. Your MPN is your personal code for quick access and certain in-app approvals. After setting it, tap Confirm, then tap Go to log in. From there, log into your account. Remember, this does not replace the OTP. Instead, the OTP verifies your login or device, while your MPIN is the code you'll use as your everyday passcode within the app. Think of OTP as the doorbell that confirms who's outside, and MPIN as the key that lets you move around inside once you're in. If you're not receiving the OTP, check that your phone has a stable signal and that your device can receive text messages. Make sure your number is correct and your messaging app isn't blocking short codes. Sometimes a short wait helps. Network delays can happen. If the app offers a resend option, use it sparingly and wait between requests to avoid getting blocked by rate limits. Never share your OTP or MPN with anyone, including someone claiming to be support. If issues persist, use the official help channels in the app to reach support securely. To recap, logging into GCash without an OTP isn't possible, and that's a good thing. OTP confirms your identity and keeps your wallet safe. Set your 4-digit MPIN, tap Confirm, tap Go to login, and log into your account following the on-screen prompts. Keep your MPN private, enter OTPs only in the official app, and you'll have a secure, reliable login experience every time.